Hello, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Okay, happy Tuesday everyone! So, meron po akong exciting news para sa inyo. So, stay tuned until the end because not only you will learn about the Him that can strengthen your body from inside out, but also you will discover how to join the Him Challenge from Atomy Philippines and win exclusive prizes or gifts from Atomy Philippines. So, just by taking two sachet of Him per day, you can be the next success story that we'll be celebrating. So, are you curious? Don't go anywhere and you don't want to miss this. So, hintay-hintay lang po. Let me just share my screen about the Himuhim. Okay, so yan po yung ating video about the Himuhim and you can find that in channel.atomy. Meron din ng Philippines. Ito is specifically galing sa USA. Okay, so let me just switch screen. Okay. So mag-open na lang ako ng bagong screen. Sa mga nagtatanong kung paano mag-join sa Himuhim Challenge, let me just stop first. Simple lang. If you are already taking, so kung nagtitake na po kayo ng Himuhim, kagaya ko, you just have to document, take a picture, isubmit sa Atomy Philippines, and kapag consistent kayo na nakatapos ng 26 days out of 1 month, then you can win a gift, okay, a prize from Atomy. So, ang recommendation is you need to take 2 sachet per day. Most of the time, nagtitake tayo ng isa sa umaga and then isa sa hapon. So, paano kayo magtitake ng picture? Using 2 sachet. So, it's up to you if you want to change your habit. So, since the challenge, ang ginawa ko na lang is, I'm taking it first thing in the morning before breakfast. Kanina nag-take na ako ng isa, so bukas na siya. And then I would take a second one para ma-capture ko na yung picture ko on the morning. Pero kung talagang pakiramdam nyo, mas kailangan nyo siya sa hapon. So what you can do is save the sachet in the morning and then pag-take nyo nung second sachet nyo in the afternoon, let's say around 2 p.m. or 6 p.m., doon nyo i-document na nag-take kayo ng dalawang him-him. Okay. During the taking the picture, live kasi yung picture, hindi pwedeng mag-take ka ng picture ngayon, then i-upload mo later. Kapag nag-log in kayo din sa website, you have to take your picture right there and then. Okay? Madali lang mag-take ng himuhim. Tanggalin po yung sachet and then, punitin and then inumin diretso. So, anong website na pupuntahan para mag-upload ng picture? You could go to ph.atomy100.com. Tingnan natin kung mag-open. Okay. So, ph.atomy100.com. So, kung nasa US ka, you will do us.atomy100.com. So, every country po, iba-iba yung dates ng kanilang challenge. So, for example, sa US, we started last month. So, tapos na po yung August namin. August, September, October. For the Philippines, we'll be starting September. Kakasimula lang yesterday, September 1. Kasi Burr months na. Ayan, Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. So, let me share this screen para makita niyo yung website kung saan itinype ko yung ph.atomy100.com. Ayan. Sobrang malaki siguro. Okay. So, take 2 sachet of Him every day. And as of today, 209 people from the Philippines na po yung nag-send na kanilang verification. So, sa September, you can click this go to participation guide para mabasa nyo in details kung masyadong mabilis yung discussion ko today. So, briefly lang, i-browse natin kung sino-sino yung mga nagtitake ng Himuhim dyan sa Pilipinas. Ayan. Okay. Yan yung mga latest for today. So, ang gagawin po is, kapag nag-log into sa ph.atomy100.com, may makikita kayong camera dito sa left lower side. Nakikita niyo ba ang aking mouse? Okay. You will simply click this. Ayan. And then, ang sunod mong gagawin is tap this one to take the photo. So, I'm not sure kung magpapa-take ng photo. Nasa desktop kasi ako. Pero sa cellphone po, you can tap this. And then, you will be selecting your affiliated center. Isulat ang pangalan. So, kung multiple names or may second, third name, make sure na laging yung pangalan na yun yung gagamitin mo. So, let's say ang pangalan mo is Maria Teresa, ah, Maria Teresa Pilapil. Say yun yung anyong pangalan. So, kung today naglagay ka ng Maria Pilapil, Make sure every day hanggang the end of the challenge, Maria Pilapil yung gagamitin mo. Kung ang ginamit mo is Maria Teresa Pilapil, so make sure Maria Teresa Pilapil po yung ilalagay nyo all the way to the end of the challenge para nakikita ng system na ikaw yon plus at attach yung name na yon sa member ID mo. Okay. Second question, paano kung mag-asawa? Iisa ang ID ng mag-asawa. Pwede ba parehong sumali sa challenge? Of course. So, ang gagawin mo, let's say, Ramon Pilapil, tapos yung ID, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then kung ang asawa mo si Elena Pilapil, and then yung ID din, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so makaka-join kayo pareho, and then pareho kayong may entry for the Him Him Challenge. Next is you can define himuhim is. Ano yung himuhim para sa'yo? So, pwedeng iba-iba every day, pero you can say himuhim is a blessing, himuhim is a gift, himuhim is a supplement, himuhim is helping a lot of people, himuhim is amazing. Himo-him is great. So, kung ano man definition mo ng himo-him, pwede mong ilagay dyan. Minsan nilalagay ko, himo-him is my breakfast. Himo-him is my supplement. Pwedeng ganon. And then at least once a month, pwede pong mag-type dito sa box sa bottom kung ano yung review nyo about the himo-him. Kasi for sure, kapag nagtitake na kayo ng himo-him na 2 sachet per day, definitely magbabago yung health nyo at makakakita kayo ng improvement sa inyong health at sa inyong katawan. So kapag na-satisfy na yung picture, affiliated center, of course, i-click mo lang yung search box, ilagay Marinduque Global Center. It is alphabetically arranged, so i-select lang Marinduque Global, kung ano man yung center nyo. And then after that, i-upload na yung picture. So let's try kung i-allow tayo. Okay, let's say allow. Ayan. Ayan ang background ko. So make sure kapag clinic yung picture, tingnan natin kung i-allow ako. I'm not sure. Ah, so I have to, nag-freeze ako, but we'll see. Ayan. Nawala? Okay na ba? Hindi ako inalaw to do it on the website. At lahat nag-freeze na siguro. So after taking the picture and then filling out yung center, yan, pwedeng i-upload. Okay, let me just stop my share. Ang malamang nawala yung nag-freeze ako sa live. Okay. Let me just share my second screen. Okay. Not sure kung naririnig niyo pa ako, pero sana naririnig niyo ako. Okay, hindi nag-work yung picture. Okay, so sa pag-take naman po ng picture, make sure na nakukuha or nakikita yung inyong mukha. Totoong tinitake niyo yung himuhim. And then, you can take a picture with the two sachet of the himuhim. Okay. And then, eto na po yung mga gifts. Sa lahat ng mga participants na I think you're not seeing my screen. Okay, yan. Sorry, nawala yata yung aking camera. Okay. So the challenge period for Army Philippines is from September 1 to November 30. So sa pag-take ng picture, make sure nakita po yung dalawang him-him sachet plus yung inyong mukha. And daily, dapat kita na bukas yung him-him sachet and you are actually taking the him-him. All participants na makakomplete ng challenge during this period, from September 1 to November 30, ayan, kung 1 month consumption, ibig sabihin 26 days out of that month, you can receive 200 pesos coupon for current members. And then kung bago naman pong member na kare-register lang from September onwards, tapos nagtitake na kagad ng Himuhim, you can receive 400 pesos coupon for the new members. And then kung tuloy-tuloy ang inyong pag-join sa challenge at nakakuha kayo nakatapos kayo for the second month, you will receive one Atomy Saw Palmetto from Atomy Philippines. And then if you finish up to the third month, you can receive one box of Atomy Calcium. So at least a minimum of 26 days out of the whole month. Yun po yung minimum requirement to receive these gifts. Okay. For 2 months consumption, hindi po pwede na 1 month this time, tapos nag-skip ng 1 month, and then tinapos sa November. Kailangan consecutive months. So, September, October, pwedeng October, November. O, mas maganda, simula September hanggang November, tapusin nyo na para makareceive kayo ng mga gifts from Atomy. And then, of course, meron ding special gifts ang mga centers kung maging top 5 sa highest number ng successful finishers ng Himuhim Challenge. So, ibig sabihin, kung sino man po yung center na may pinakamataas na bilang ng mga gumagamit ng Himuhim, yan, makaka-receive sila ng gifts. Okay? So, yan po yung requirements sa ating Himuhim Challenge. Okay? Do you guys have any question? Ayan. So, ilang tao na ba nag-join sa Pilipinas? Sobrang dami na rin. Sa USA, actually, when you log into that particular website, pwede kayong lumipat sa USA and you would see na we have more than 25,000 entries na. So, last month ng August, nag-join ako for daily. Nag-join ako and I'm taking 2 sachet of Himuhim on a daily basis. So, make sure you take at least 2 glasses of water after taking Himuhim kasi concentrated siya. Hindi po siya gamot, but it's a powerful dietary supplement that would boost your energy and help your immune system. So, yun lang po. And then, we will see each other again on our Wednesday Wellness with Marinduque Global Center. Our regular Zoom meeting will resume next week. I'll see you guys again 7:30 p.m. next week for the weekly Zoom meeting. Today we didn't have a weekly Zoom meeting because of the Labor Day holiday. Everyone was on call, partying, celebrating, of course, and preparing for the ODS. Okay. And wag pong kalimutan na gamitin ang produkto ni Atomy, and once you love the product of Atomy, start sharing it with your loved ones. Yun po ang pinaka-foundation ng ating business doing the Atomy. So you buy the products, you use it. If you love it, of course, share it, and you earn when you share. And then next level is learn Atomy, especially kung paano mag-cashback kay Atomy. And just by attending and plugging into the success system, you will be successful in doing this business. And of course, it is always your choice to be successful in Atomy. If you say you will, then you will. So let's drive the business. So let's always ride, learn, and drive the Atomy business. So sana po kagaya ko, as a nurse dito sa Baltimore and CEO, the Center Education Officer ng Marinduque Global Center, I hope you'll see in the future kung paano maging opportunity at maging blessing ang Atomy para sa sarili nyo at para sa pamilya nyo. So magandang gabi po at magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Hope to see you again next time. Bye everyone!